Have you ever thought one day that you'll be talking to your PDFs, or better yet, to your blueprints? Well, now it's possible with PDF spaces. To begin with, I have a blank PDF space, so I'll name it first a 2-story residential building project, for example. Next, I'll be uploading the files. I click on Add Files, and in this case, I'll be pulling off the files from my local device. Of course, I will be uploading the blueprint itself, together with the rest of the building code, structural code, and the rest of the standards that I need to comply with. I upload them all at once by selecting them all and clicking on Open. I finally add all of them to the PDF space, allow the PDF space to work on your files for a few seconds, and once ready, I now begin asking it questions. In this case, I'd like to know what are the specific areas of concern it can detect, and so I ask a table for it. I also ask for references so that I know what specific pages it's coming from. As it can be observed on the screen, you can see how much information I have already acquired by just simply asking it for a table. Of course, if I click on the footnotes, on the citations here, it will redirect me to the specific page which it detected the problems from. In this case, I ask it to give me citations and references from the blueprint itself, and more importantly, from the building code and the other codes that I have uploaded. Let's check for other examples. Suppose in this example, I click here on a page from the building code. So it already redirected me to one of the pages of the files. You can just imagine doing this over and over again to your projects, saving you time from manually scanning through the code and manually scanning through your floor plans. And just like that, you are able to talk to your PDF and better yet, talk to your blueprints.